Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to make labels for garage bins with the Cricut Maker and a Sharpie. Let's get started. The Cricut Maker is a vinyl cutting machine. You can do lots with it, but some things I have found very useful is to cut out a simple shape in vinyl and have the machine write on it with Sharpie. I found that vinyl with a little bit of texture works the best. The best ones I've found so far is the Cricut removable vinyl and the Cricut chalkboard. For the white vinyl, black Sharpie is best, but you can see here are a few other options. And for the black vinyl, I have tried different Sharpie colors, but the best seems to be the metallic silver. I'm going to make a very simple label in Cricut Design Space. This is free software that's available to download from Cricut's website. I'm just going to pick a basic rounded rectangle. And then I'm going to get a text box and add my first label. And I'm going to use the basic Cricut font, but I need to make sure it's set to writing. If it's not set to writing, it's going to make box letters and look a little weird. Also, make sure this is set to pen. Then I'm going to align these. Select each layer and attach them so that they will print and cut at the same time. With the label set up, I'm going to prep the machine. I like to test the Sharpie out first, then load the Sharpie in the machine. I'm going to remove the Cricut pin attachment from clip A, as it just easily pushes up and comes out. This little green attachment, I got it from Amazon, and there's a lot of different ones available. This one came in a 3-pack, and this green one says SFP, which stands for Sharpie Fine Point. In clip B, I'm going to put the basic cutting blade so it can cut the shape out after it writes. Back in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to make it. I choose vinyl and make it. And once it comes out, you can see it's already smudge proof and it easily lifts off, and I can now put it on the bin in the garage. This is a fast and simple way to get some organization in any room. And since these are removable, I can switch them out at any time. And here you can see I'm doing a whole sheet at one time. So far, I've used this label technique in many ways. First, I made labels for all my Lego bins, and you can see I made a simple Lego brick design for the label. I also used it to organize all my craft supplies. For someone who has bad handwriting, like me, this is such a nice way to get organized in an easy and clean looking way. Thanks for joining, and if you want to see more projects, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And if you want to learn more about the Cricut Maker machine, we have an intro video right here.